developing the spirit of excellence. So if you have to deliver a project, deliver a product or a message, you need to prepare. Who or what do I need to consult? You may need to ask questions, you may need to consult. That's part of preparation. If you're going to have an excellent delivery, an excellent spirit, you don't just stand up, prepare a few things here and there, and then run up to, no. What time is needed to do my preparation is something to think about. You see, a lot of times we give short preparation to the things that we are supposed to give long time to, and so we don't deliver at excellence level. What are my aspirations? What is it that I want to see happen? What are my goals, result goals in this context? And what real strong desire do I have? What do I have a strong desire to accomplish? All of this is going to inform the quality and the time allocated to preparation. And it's better for you as a believer to aspire for great things to happen because God is involved with you. It's better for you as a believer to have a strong desire to give your best. For me as a preacher, I want to deliver the word of God in all wisdom and understanding. And I want to be able to overcome the limitations of what I perceive to be mentalities or belief systems that are contrary to what I'm trying to deliver. So the next point is presentation. In presentation, what standards of presentation are necessary or available to me? What skills do I need to develop to be effective in my presentation? Will I present my material in the best possible way? Can I give my best in this presentation? What are my thoughts, constraints, or possible desires that I may need to adjust to help me deliver at my best? Why am I asking these questions? Because I'm trying to help you to see that developing the spirit of excellence doesn't come cheap. It doesn't come just like that. You need to challenge yourself, develop yourself, train yourself, and believe God for an excellent spirit. Can I give my best at this presentation? What will I present my material in the best possible way? What do I need to develop to be effective? And what are my thoughts, constraints, or possible desires that I may need to adjust to help me deliver at my best? It's so important you challenge all these things. And it depends on A, your environment, B, your desire, and C, what exactly, who are you supposed to be ministering to? You know, if you're ministering to the world at large, then you need to understand the language you're using. If you need to come across with the level of and the spirit of excellence that will help you to give your best. And then communication. This includes the delivery of a well-prepared, thought of, and excellently presented material. My ability to pronounce words correctly, use them rightly, and ensure accuracy of what is being communicated. This looks so obvious that people don't even know anything goes into that. Delivery of a well-prepared, thought of, and excellently presented material. That means you have done your homework in presenting, in putting the material together, in preparation. You have learned how to present it. Now you are communicating, because I'm looking at example of preaching. My ability to pronounce words correctly, use them rightly, and ensure accuracy of what is being communicated. In other words, I won't say phrases that can connote a different thing from what I want to communicate. I won't use examples that have no relevance to the things I want to communicate. I won't use just general phrases that the world uses just because I want to sound popular. I must learn to communicate with the things that matter to the subject. And then the final point is impartation. In my own case of a message, the impartation is a product of prayers. Prayers offered during the preparation or before that, and what is ministered by the Lord at such times, and being definite that it is the word of God, not just human opinion, that one expects God to confirm his word with signs following. Impartation is not a function of just how well it was presented alone. It's also a function of how much prayers had gone into it, that God can watch over his word to confirm it with signs and wonders or confirm it. That's how people are impacted. Because it's God that does the impartation. So if it is his word and there's been prayers for the people before the message, then God will impart the truth, the wisdom, and the application. And where they're believing him for a miracle, God will impart his power to confirm that word with signs following. So I just want to encourage us that developing the spirit of excellence, and you could look up in your own area of expertise other aspects that will be necessary and you can think about that will add to the developing that spirit of excellence. Your motive should be right, your focus should be right, your recognition of your potential is there. If your attitude is that of a worldly person trying to compete with somebody else, drop it. If your attitude or your disposition is that of somebody just wanting to be in the good books of others, drop it. But if your attitude is that of pleasing the one who called you, pleasing the God who gave you the potential, pleasing the God who gave you the opportunity, then this will be how to develop the spirit of excellence.